Chad Douglas will be off by 4 o'clock, so I'm rushing dinner. I'm trying to cook something quick and easy. I remember Chad Douglas and I went to this Cajun style restaurant or Southern style restaurant in Puyallup, and they serve a really good shrimp and grits. This is my first time having shrimp and grits. After that, I had shrimp and grits from different restaurants, but nothing can compare to this shrimp and grits in Puyallup. I forget the name, but I'm going to put the name right over here when I remember it. And so today I'm going to use an instant grits because I want it to be fast. And this grits has 4 different flavor: original, butter, cheddar cheese, and country bacon. But for tonight I'm going to use 2 cheddar, 1 butter, and the country bacon. 4 packs. I think that's enough for our dinner tonight. I'm also going to use this Johnsonville New Orleans style andouille sausage. I have shrimp in the freezer, and I'm gonna start cooking my grits by boiling water. This is the first time I'm going to make shrimp and grits. I don't have any recipe. I don't have any cookbook or any resource where I'm going to get the recipe from. Everything is from my memory, and I'm going to ask Chad Douglas to judge it. Alright, now I'm opening a package of andouille sausage. This is a New Orleans style sausage. This is one of my favorite because it's spicy and it's very flavorful. I always use this when I make potatoes, or you can use this when you make jambalaya. I'm going to fry my sausage, put some garlic. So we're gonna be going in the garden to get some parsley. It's so cold today. Normally shrimp and grits don't have veggies. I'm just going to roast some green bell pepper. Here's the judge of the cooking show.
You have the shrimp tails on them. Fired. Good. Good. What did you make the sauce with?
With love. He asked me earlier if I look up the recipe. I told you guys you're gonna ask me that. Because he is a recipe guy. I'm not a recipe person.
I am.
So here's my version of shrimp and grits. Let's eat.
I'm done. Good. Thank you.
Oh, I didn't show that on the camera. I need to do it again.
Thank you.
Welcome.